How to choose the best helicopter in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game and you will see your helicopter on the home screen. You can use the arrow buttons to switch between different helicopters. Here you will see the name, level, health point, top speed and turn rate of each helicopter. Based on these stats, you can choose the best helicopter for your needs. Alternatively, you can select a helicopter by tapping on the episode and then choosing the workshop. From here, you can upgrade your helicopter and select the one that best fits your gameplay style and mission requirement. A fully upgraded helicopter may perform better than a new one with higher base stats with no enhancement. Some helicopters are quick and easy to handle, perfect for fast attacks and avoiding enemy fire. Others are equipped with stronger weapons and tougher armor, making them better for intense battles and challenging missions. Finally, once you have chosen the helicopter that suits your style and mission, test it in a game to see how it performs in real combat. Now you know how to choose the best helicopter in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.